Today we're going to be checking out this OE style headlight with black housings, clear lenses, and chrome reflectors for the passenger side of the 2021 to 2023 F-150s with those factory halogen headlights. This headlight is going to be a great option for F-150 owners looking for a bright and durable replacement for worn out or broken headlights on their F-150, and it's going to upgrade both the performance and the appearance. The standout feature is this crisp design with a focused beam output, perfectly engineered to enhance nighttime visibility and reduce glare when you compare it to the faded or basic halogen units. The sealed black housing gives a modern stealthy look with that chrome reflector behind the lights without looking overwhelming for the truck style. It's DOT certified and SAE approved, and it's a perfect swap for the factory headlight. It's going to feature a direct bolt-on design that uses the factory connectors and the mounting points, ensuring a smooth, no hassle installation. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. This is constructed to OE level specs with a fully sealed housing and precision cut lenses. The headlight offers reliable resistance to moisture and dust, so it's not going to get hazy or fog up over time like those stock lights can do. The internal build provides consistent bright light output that holds up against road vibrations and harsh weather conditions. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, is coming in right around that $300 price range, and that cost is going to reflect the OEM level of quality in the build. It's a cost-effective way to replace an OE style headlight that's broken or you need a replacement on your truck. The installation is nice and straightforward, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have them installed in about 1 hour of your time. Now, let's see exactly how that install process goes with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
These are the tools I use, not much. Ratchet, some extensions, different size. I have a 7mm, 8mm, and the 10 with a ratchet adapter. That would be the place of your specialty tool for removing the clips. Name's David. Today we're going to be changing the passenger headlight assembly on our 2021 F-150 XLT. Not sure what we're getting into, but we'll go through this together. First things first, we've got to come down here on this valance and remove these 7mm bolts out of the way. So we're going to start with that. Around to the other side, do the same thing. This piece is just held on by those little plastic clips all the way through here. One of those can be scary moments pulling these little plastic pieces out, but the best way to do it is just get over here in the corner and pop it free, and then just work your way down, pull in, get about to the center, come around, start on this side, and just work it out nicely. There we go. Gotta get this plastic cover off. I believe there's 14 of these little clips. They make a specialty tool, a clip remover. I've never bought one. I just have these little needle nose that have a little angle on them, and just get up underneath it and pull it out. of the way. Removing these 4 bolts. It's 10 millimeter. Just going through, getting these off. Before you take them all out except one. Next are these little clips here. Got 1 and 2, and the harness has to be removed. So you just push this in and pull up, comes out of the way, and same with this one. A little clip in the back. Okay, just pull straight out. Next, that's where you'd use your clip removal tool. Get that up out of the way. Now your harnesses are out of the way. Remove this glass bolt. That's 10 millimeter holding in the grill. Now, this whole thing is going to pull off. Rubber here on the bottom and the snagging in the way. I just start here. One more on the other side. Get it from there, straight up and out. Got room to get it here to remove this bolt. This one in here. Start with that one. It's actually the 10 millimeter. Now on top, we got 2 more 10 millimeter bolts and one of those clips. These out of the way. Fancy clip tool. Just pull out. There's some clips on this side. Alright. That sound you heard was just coming out of the keeper here. Next, pull your lights out. Put a clip on the bottom. Clip on the top. I'll see that. Alright. Here's the new one from AmericanTrucks.com. OEM. Nothing different from what I already had. We're just going to repeat the process. Click it till you hear the click. Trying to line it up in that space right there. And there it is. Now we're in, and clip in, install. Now we got one set up. Something when it comes to lights I always like to do is make sure the light's going to work, it's working, before I move ahead any further. Get the lights on. There we go. Do my right blinker. Now headlight, curb light. Now that we double check all of that, we can continue because at least at this point, it was straight to six. 10 millimeter nut back on into here. Back in at the angle you came out of it with. There we go. Take a couple tries. You will get it. Okay. Go back to my 7 millimeter. Last 7 millimeter to secure the assembly fully to the vehicle. Alright, go back to the 10 millimeter. One more. Okay, the wiring harness hooked back up. This one just snaps right in. Same with this one. There we are. You push the clips back in, and grill is now all secured. Next, we get our cover back on, lined up, and repeat. The 14, I'm going back with 13 because one shot off somewhere and I don't know where it went. I will be reaching out to AmericanTrucks.com for some replacements. Get some more clips. There isn't enough in it. Do what we need to do. Who would have thought the clips would have been the hardest part of this job? Alright. Sorry folks, that's the best I can do. I definitely recommend if you're going to do this, go ahead and get new clips ahead of time. Just so you have them. So lastly, get the balance. It lined up the best we can. A little tricky to get it pulled over. Should all go back for now. Same thing on this other side. Get it into position. There you go. There you go. flips back in place. And go to the other side and repeat the same process.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the OE style headlight with black housing and clear lenses for the passenger side of the 2021 to 23 F-150 with the factory halogen headlights. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.